Good morning, everyone. This is Shashmita. Today we are going to learn the new topic. If you want to learn the science in simplest and easiest way, then subscribe my channel. So this channel for NCERT CBSE science. Okay. So if you want to take short notes or if you want to take the important line, then you can write on the copy or otherwise you can take the screenshot. Okay. So let's start the class. The topic name is How Nature Works in Harmony. This chapter belongs to the 8th class NCERT CBSE Science. Okay. The first question arises here: what is harmony in nature? Nature works like a big family. Every part depends on the others. Animals, plants, and their environment works together. Bees pollinate flowers, trees release the oxygen that living things needed. Okay, so in nature, all types of flowers, all types of animals, insects are combinedly live together. So it act as a family. Animal, plants, and their environment working together. We can take the example of bees. It pollinated in the flowers. Trees release the oxygen that helps us to live. So it is the big family. The next question is, why is harmony important? A change in one part of nature can ripple through whole system. Balance keeps ecosystem healthy, resilient and strong. So life can continue even when conditions change. Here you can see the example of many various type of animals and birds and many bacteria and many fungi. Okay. So here is the image of all type of animals and insects. So, why is harmony important? Because in evolution, ecosystems are changing day by day. So, when the environment going to change, so if the family is living in together, it can handle all type of problems and they can manage it in any condition. So, it is very important to make the harmony. Okay. So the next thing is food chains, that is nature's connection. Plants capture sunlight to make food. Animals eat plants or other animals, passing energy along a connected chain. The first source of energy, that is sun, then the plant, then herbivore, then carnivore. Okay, how it continuing? That is, the sun gives us sun ray, the plant then makes the food, then the energy transported to herbivore, then the energy transported to carnivore. It's called as food chains. Pollination helping plants grow. Bees and butterflies carry pollen from flower to flower. This partnership help plants make food seeds, while pollinators receive nursing nectar. Okay, so it is the example of bees and butterflies that they carry pollen from flower and they increase their family. But in the other sense, pollinators also receive the nectar. Okay, so it is a give and take situation. Okay, in this condition, the life is well balanced and the ecosystem fully managed. Okay. Symbiosis, that is living together. Sometimes two different species live closely and help each other. Ants protect aphids, clownfish gain shelter among sea animals. Cooperation can be a survival strategy. In this strategy, that is called as symbiosis, in this process, the two different species are living together and they are codependent on each other. Okay. Then the topic is water cycle, that is nature's recycling. Water moves continuously through air, land, and living things, and it supports the every ecosystem. Sun warms water, then it forms to clouds, then the rain forms. The sun warms water, it is called as evaporation. Here, after cooling, the clouds are formed. It is called as condensation. Then, after precipitated, the rain falls down to the earth. So, it is called as water cycle. Decomposers. You can see the image of mushroom and other insects. Okay, fungi and bacteria break down dead plants and animals. Earthworm help mix the materials into the soil, returning nutrients that feed a new generation of plants. Okay, so it is so in this case, fungi and bacteria has the vital role. They decompose the dead plants and create a new creature. Okay. Forest ecosystem, a balanced community. Trees, animals, insects, and microbes from a living network. Forests clean the air, store the water, and provide homes from the canopy to the soil below. So, in the forest, every type of animals are living, and various type of insects are also there. Among them, some are co-dependent on each other. In forest, clear air are present. They also store the water and they provide homes to the various type of animals. Natural systems in harmony. You can see the screen here. Various type of animals are present here and they are live it in the harmony. Okay. It is the ocean harmony. That means various type of sea animals are living together here. Coral reefs support an astonishing variety of fish and plants from tiny plankton to great whales. Marine life is connected by food, shelter and shared waters. That means life, it is a life, it is present underwater. Here are also food are present, shelter present, and waters are present. So variety of fishes and plants are living in the water and they are codependent on each other. Seasons and nature's rhythm. Plants bloom, shed leaves, or rest. Animals migrate, hibernate, or raise young. Seasonal rhythms help living things adapt and survive through changing conditions. You can see the image of green leaves and red leaves. After shedding, the green leaves' color are changed and they fall down to the earth, and again new leaves are bring. So it is called as plants bloom. Okay. So see in the different type of season, nature gives different type of role. Okay. Natural disaster and recovery. Fires and floods can occur naturally after disturbance, seeds sprout, wildlife returns, and ecosystems slowly rebuild, a process called ecological recovery. Why it is called as ecological recovery? Because in the fires and floods or cyclone, various type of things are destroyed. But after some time, they regain again, they slowly rebuild. Okay, so it is called as ecological recovery. Human impact on nature's harmony. Pollution, deforestation, and climate change can push natural systems out of balance. Habitats shrink, water becomes unsafe, and plants and animals struggle to adapt. Okay, so we can see here the various type of garbages are present on the bank of river. Also in day-to-day life, we see many type of pollutions are present in the earth, like soil pollution, water pollution, air pollution. Okay, we create the pollution and we impact the nature's harmony. Protecting nature's harmony. We can plant trees, save water, protect animals. Reducing waste and pollution gives ecosystems room to recover. Small actions become powerful when we act together. Okay. One quiz test your knowledge what to do, help plants do. Name one job decomposition. Why is balance important in nature? You can write the answer in the comment section. Okay. How nature works in harmony. First, it connect all parts depend on each other. Then the cycle process, that is water and nutrients move again and again. Then the cooperation, that is pollinators and partners help life grow. Protect human choices can restore the balance. Why we should care? If we don't care the nature, then it impact our life also. Also, we can't live happily anymore. So it's very necessary to we should care the nature for ourselves or our options or our next generation. Questions and discussion. What surprised you about nature's harmony? How can you help protect nature? You can discuss with your friends. Otherwise, you can write the answer in the comment section. Thank you. If you want to take short notes, you can take the screenshot. Otherwise, you can write the important notes. This channel is for NCERT CBSE Science. You can subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon. Let's end the class here. Thank you.